Well, nearly 3 years after being arrested during the 30-meter telescope protests, the final group of seniors learned today their cases are being dismissed. KITV4's Marissa Yamane joins us live with more. Marissa.
Mika, the Attorney General's office told me the COVID pandemic made it difficult to proceed to trial in a timely fashion, and that's why this has been drawn out for so long. I also spoke with Hawaiian activist Walter Ritty. He is one of the people who had his case dismissed today.
Unforgettable images from July 15, 2019 on Mauna Kea.
This is about the Hawaiian nation trying to survive in an illegal government, so I mean, we're going to survive.
Braving the bitter cold to block the only road up to the summit of Mauna Kea to prevent the start of construction of the 30-meter telescope. 2 days later, Ritty and more than 30 other kupuna or elders were arrested or cited.
The part is, why are we getting arrested? Just to protect the Mauna? Is that any crime?
They were charged with 2 counts, obstructing a highway and obstructing a sidewalk. Kahauleleo was found not guilty last August, and most of the cases already went to trial, with 3 found guilty and 2 others pleading guilty. Today, a Hilo judge dismissed the remaining cases, including for Ritty and his wife Loretta.
Relief, huge relief. It's been years going through this process. And COVID came along and made it really scary for us. You know, we thought we would have to travel to different islands and Big Island. And it was like, they were treating us like big time criminals. And we were like kupuna who was just trying to protect their mountain.
The other defendants whose cases were dismissed today include Abel Louie, Liko Kalani Martin, and Deborah Lee. The reason for the dismissal, the defense cited the Hawaii Supreme Court's ruling on State versus Thompson, saying the criminal complaint did not include the complainant's signatures.
And then the state is saying, well, we might retry them again. And we went, oh no. So we got to wait to find out whether or not the state is still going to come after us.
That's because a judge has yet to decide whether the case is being dismissed with prejudice or without. If it's with prejudice, the state cannot refile the case. But if it's dismissed without prejudice, the state has the option of refiling. That hearing is set for April 29th.
We already paid the price, you know, for what we did. And it's not like we wouldn't do it all over again, but it was unnecessary, this long delay that we went through.
In a statement, the Attorney General's office told KITV4 the court has deferred ruling on whether the dismissals will be with or without prejudice, so it is premature to indicate our intentions on how we will proceed. However, the Department of the Attorney General remains committed to enforcing and upholding the rule of law.
And the AG's office also said, while disappointing, today's ruling was not unexpected because of State versus Thompson, and that the cases were dismissed on a technical basis, not on the merits. Now, as for the TMT project itself, a spokesman told us there is still no set timeline for TMT construction. Marissa Yamane, KITV4 Island News.